Numerous developments are occurring at Ripple. Numerous individuals assert that Ripple's technology is integral to the recently announced instant payment system, FedNow, operated by the U.S. Federal Reserve. If verified, this would fundamentally transform XRP and advance its adoption by financial institutions. What will be the long-term impact of FedNow on Ripple? The real-time payment system, FedNow, was instituted by the U.S. Federal Reserve, facilitated monetary transactions between individuals, businesses, and banks are rendered swift and uncomplicated. Banking services accessible at all times, devoid of customary delays. This represents a significant enhancement over the current system, which may require several days to finalize transactions, particularly during holidays and weekends. FedNow aims to establish a more efficient and rapid financial network that can adapt to the digital era. What is Ripple's specific involvement in this matter? Although the Federal Reserve has not officially confirmed direct integration with XRP, there are compelling signs that Ripple's technology aligns well with the objectives of FedNow. Regarding speed, enabling economical, fast international transactions. The instant settlement functionality is currently accessible within the ODL system for cross-border transactions. Ripple's solutions have the capacity to optimize and diminish transaction costs for financial institutions such as banks employing FedNow. Rumors suggest that specific Ripple partners such as Volante Technologies played a significant role in the development of FedNow. This further substantiates that Ripple's payment technology is offering indirect support for the system. Integrating Ripple's solutions or utilizing XRP for liquidity would be a significant institutional endorsement of Ripple's technology by FedNow. The partnership between FedNow and Ripple is significant as it underscores the shift towards real-time digital transactions in financial institutions, which is the specific challenge Ripple aimed to address. One fact is indisputable. Although the extent of Ripple's role remains ambiguous, Ripple is positioned to spearhead the reform of the financial system. It is not yet complete. Ripple is collaborating with government entities, including the CFTC's newly initiated Digital Asset Pilot Program. Will comprehensive regulatory approval and widespread adoption transpire once more? In the subsequent part, we shall analyze Ripple's increasing impact on governmental and financial institutions. Ripple's increasing influence in the realms of economics and politics is becoming increasingly conspicuous. Ripple has long established itself as a conduit between conventional banking and the emerging world of digital payments. Partnerships with prominent banks, financial regulators, and central banks have elucidated Ripple's influence on the future of global finance. Ripple's collaborations with several of the world's top banks signify its increasing importance. Ripple has established collaborations with notable financial institutions, including Santander, Standard Chartered, and Bank of America. These collaborations demonstrate that Ripple transcends the typical cryptocurrency initiative. The organization offers pragmatic solutions to challenges encountered by the banking sector. Ripple's technology, including its on-demand liquidity (ODL) service, allows businesses and institutions to save expenses and enhance efficiency by enabling immediate cross-border monetary transactions. Nonetheless, Ripple's collaborations encompass more than just private banks. Moreover, it has participated in dialogues with central banks regarding the introduction of CBDCs, or digital currencies issued and overseen by central banks. Numerous nations, including Japan, France, and the United Kingdom, have explored Ripple's technology as a potential basis for their digital currency. Ripple has created a private ledger for government-operated entities. They possess the authority to establish and oversee their own central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. XRP possesses the potential to become a crucial instrument for forthcoming government-backed digital currencies. Ripple's advocacy for enhanced regulatory transparency signifies its increasing influence. In contrast to the majority of cryptocurrency enterprises, Ripple has collaborated closely with legislators, regulators, and financial institutions to establish the legal status of digital assets. Ripple's expansion of partnerships, despite its ongoing legal conflict with the SEC, demonstrates its resilience. The company's capacity to collaborate with regulators rather than oppose them renders it a formidable candidate for widespread adoption. The payment sector is experiencing an increase in Ripple's influence. The traditional payment network of banks, SWIFT, has dominated international trade for an extended period. The costly and inefficient SWIFT system is currently seeing competition from blockchain-based alternatives like Ripple. An increasing number of banks are seeking expedited alternatives, with Ripple's network being one of the most innovative options available. Ripple is poised not only to endure inside the financial sector, but also to emerge as a leader. Financial institutions, governments, and various entities are increasingly recognizing Ripple's technology as a significant and swiftly growing component of the system. However, Ripple possesses more offerings. It is currently participating in a significant government-supported endeavor, the Digital Asset Pilot Program, administered by the CFTC. And what are the implications for Ripple and XRP? Is this the conclusive step prior to obtaining full authorization from the regulators? This analysis will examine Ripple's participation in the CFTC pilot program and its potential implications for XRP in the future. Ripple's involvement in the CFTC's digital asset pilot program signifies increasing institutional and regulatory endorsement for XRP. The Commodity Futures Commission, CFTC, a prominent U.S. financial regulator, supervises commodities, derivatives, and certain digital assets. What makes Ripple's